In this video, I'm going to turn this into this and that into that so that I can eat this. Stick around, hang out with me. I'm going to show you my process and we're going to have some fun. Here we go. Like shown, I have a whole bunch of colorful, delicious things that I'm going to be chopping up and I'm taking you with me. Did you see yesterday's video? There was some heavy shit going on in there. So that's why in this video, I needed to brighten things up with some color. So I'm starting with chopping my vegetables, and then I'm going to be chopping watermelon, and then I'm going to be taking all of my concoctions and sticking them right in my pie hole because I'm freaking hungry and I need to fuel up because I have band practice in soon. So I need fuel, I'm hungry, and I want some colorful things going on in life today. Also, I cut bangs recently, and they're shorter than I've cut before, so tell me if you like them or if I should grow them out, because I don't know if I like them or not yet. I feel kind of fluffy. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, so getting into it, I have purple cabbage, 2 cucumbers, 4 carrots, 2 heads of broccoli, a thing of romaine lettuce, and spinach. Corinne, what's going on in your spinach? Well, if you didn't already know, and I think I may have talked about it before, moisture is an enemy when it comes to keeping your greenery, what's the word I'm looking for? Keep your veggies fresh. So what I do when I get my spinach, I will kind of fluff it up, shove my paper towels down in there to help soak up moisture, and then just keep the bag sealed and it lasts a lot longer. If my spinach, which is rare, but if it comes to a point where I don't eat it in time, then I stick it in a Ziploc bag and stick it in my freezer, as I do with many other veggies. And I wash and reuse all of my large Ziploc bags, unless, they're icky, but that's a whole nother story. So I'm going to kind of speed things up here, and we're going to have fun doing this together, and you're going to see how I apply it to my pie hole as soon as it's all cut up. So I'm starting with the lettuce. Chopping, washing, and then also you're going to see what I do when I throw all this together, because what I'm doing with all my veggies is getting them ready to make salads. I like my veggies to be grab and go, man. I like convenience. So I'm taking my dollar store Halloween bowl that I've had for years and years, and you're going to see exactly what I do. So hopefully this helps you out when it comes to meal prep and or not letting your veggies go to waste. That's what this is all about. Just showing you my process. So here we go. This is my super inexpensive salad spinner. I got it off of Amazon, I don't know how many years ago, and I use it all the time. Wash your greens, wash your lettuce, wash your stuff, because ew, dirt, creepy crawlies, and you don't know who or what may have touched it, so clean your veggies. I will link this particular salad spinner below if you want to check it out. It's inexpensive, and like I said, I've had it for years. It is awesome. Washing the greens. And it's kind of fun too. Lettuce is all done. Moving on to the cabbage, or as I like to say, cabbage. It's already been washed. I've already used half of it, and chopping it up. Is it just me, or hopefully I'm not alone, but when you chop into a purple cabbage, it's pretty. I don't know, I like it. Do you like it too? Comment below if I'm not the only one that thinks the designs inside of a purple cabbage look pretty neat. I'm giving it a rough chop, sticking it right in here. You'll see why in just a minute. I need my food shovel. Cabbage is all done. Moving on to the carrots. I broke a drumstick. These have already been washed, scrubbed with my little veggie scrubber I have over there, so all I'm going to do is peel them and give them a rough chop. Let me know in the comments below. I peel towards. Do you do that way, or do you peel away? You know what? I used to do it that way a long time ago until I got tired of taking all of the skin off my knuckles, so now I do it this way. Comment below, how do you peel your freaking veggies? All right, carrots are all done. I love carrots. Raw, cooked, in stuff, whatever, in salads and other meals. I am now moving on to cucumber. I have 2 decent looking cucumbers that I've washed with my dish soap and scrubbed them with my veggie brush. Wash your veggies, people, okay? Ew, otherwise. I'm going to peel and rough chop. I actually busted out 2 containers because one of the cucumbers I'm going to chop into bite-sized pieces to add to my salad, and the other I'm going to make cucumber spears to dip in hummus, or just, you know, take a big old bite of, because cucumbers, yum. That was easy enough. Moving on to the broccoli, which I'm just gonna keep in my Ziploc bag. Some of it I'm going to leave raw to just eat with hummus, stick in my salad, just apply to face, or I'm going to steam some of it, because something about raw, steamed, fresh broccoli, to me, it needs nothing. I love eating steamed broccoli with some taters, with a freaking fork. Steamed broccoli, it's so good for you. I'm gonna chop up this broccoli and you'll see what I do. Broccoli is all cut up, and now I'm moving on to the spinach. All I'm going to do is give it a rough chop and add it to this big colorful salad bowl here. And I think I'm also going to maybe shred some carrots to go in there as well. Toss it all up, and then I have a grab-and-go mixed salad for what I like to call a loaded salad, which I'm going to make, and I'm going to show you in just a second. So stay tuned. I am going to shred some carrot to put in there. Fancy pantsy shredder. Peeled carrot. Watch your knuckles. Veggies are all cut up. It's so fast. It's that easy. And now they're ready for me to grab whenever I need. And this big old bowl right here, I can either get on in there. You know what? I think I might. I have clean hands. Otherwise, I have. You can get on it. You know what? I'm using my hands. Look at that big, colorful bowl of health right there. Now, I'm not going to eat all this in one sitting. I'm going to expand it. Expand it? It's going to last. It's going to last a few days between my husband and I. The best way to store it in the fridge, because like I mentioned, moisture and greens equals ew. So the best thing to do is layer your container. See, I'm just going to show you. I need some paper towels. Put a paper towel on the bottom. Grab a bunch of your mixed greens. This is going to help soak up the moisture so that your salad fixins last a lot longer. Put a big old handful. I'm making salad lasagna in my container. Veggies are done, ready for me to make a salad. But first, we're chopping up that watermelon. I'm gonna kind of clean this up. I'll be right back. And it's time to chop the melon. I'm gonna show you how I cut my watermelon bowl. And we don't compost. Eventually we will, but for right now we throw the rinds away. So what I do is take a couple of grocery bags, double them up, and then I'll just put my rinds in there and stick them in the trash. I'm not super picky when it comes to watermelon. I know the best thing to do for sweetness is to look for the yellow spot. I shop at Aldi. When I was there was kind of slim pickings, but I wanted a freaking watermelon. So I grabbed this one. Like with every watermelon you get, fingers crossed it turns out good when it comes to flavor, texture, juiciness, all that fun stuff, because it's watermelon. Who doesn't like watermelon? And it doesn't last long in our house when we chop it up, so cross your fingers with me that this is a good one. Score! Look at that! And it smells wonderful! All right, take the two. Again, this is how I do it. Flip. Slice. I love being a 5-year-old. It's so much fun. I then slice into slices and then easily chop off the rind. And eat whatever's left on that one like I just did. And then, bite-sized pieces goes into the container. Because, easy breezy, now you can just grab a bowl of freaking watermelon anytime you want. And it's ready to go. If you are liking this content, and you like my goofiness and my goofy face, first of all, thank you. I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe. And if you want to help me out and help out my channel, there's now a way that you can buy me a coffee and or just donate, and there's going to be a link below for that. So I thank you in advance if you do any of those things. I'm going to finish chopping up this watermelon. Give me just a sec, and I'm going to tell you about the freebie I made for you guys. You're going to like it. Well, unfortunately, not all of it was great. Looks were deceiving, but I was able to salvage most of it. It's watermelon. You win some, you lose some. Am I right? So, hey, we got some freaking watermelon. I'm going to put this together and have some lunch. Give me just a second. I'm going to clean up and, yeah, give me a minute. All chopped up, ready to go. Look at, is this not the perfect freaking summertime meal or what? It is a beautiful day. The window's open. The sun is shining. And once again, the previous video, if you saw that, was, that's kind of heavy. It's kind of deep. There's a lot of stuff going on there. But I did it on purpose to show you, tell you, explain to you why I wanted to start this YouTube channel. So if you're still here, you're awesome. Thank you. I appreciate you. And hopefully this helped you out, showed you how easy it is to chop up and have some healthy crap at the ready in your fridge, ready to go. I'm hungry. And like I said, I got band practice here coming up soon. So I'm going to shove this in my face here and be full and ready and full of energy, ready to jam. So thank you for watching. Don't forget, there's links down below for you to check out. In the meantime, eat clean, live loud, and I will see you in the next video.